Hi, this is Hawk from Cheyenne US Repair. Today we're going to talk about warranty. So for your Hawk series machines, your Pen and your Thunder and your Spirit, your 10th anniversary, including the PU1 and the PU2, these are all going to have a 24-month warranty on manufactured defects. The Sol Nova, the Solterra, the Sol Luna, and the PU4 are going to have a 12-month warranty on manufacturer defects. Things that can void your warranty would be biohazard, contamination of the machine. If you're using non-Cheyenne cartridges and you're getting backflow of pigment, water, ink into the machine, and this shortens the lifespan of the machine, it damages the motor and the drive, the electronics, this is not covered. This will void your warranty, as well as dropping your machine, falling damage, taking impact. This is going to also void the warranty on your machine. If your machine has been opened or repair has been attempted, this will void your warranty. So when we repair your machine, what we're going to do is we're going to take that machine and we're going to sanitize it, and then we're going to test it, and then we're going to tear the whole thing down, and we're going to individually test each component of that machine, and we're going to replace all parts that do not meet factory specifications. We're going to get that reassembled, and we're going to retest it and make sure that it is running to factory spec before it's returned to you. And what you'll get with that repair is you'll get a 6-month warranty on all the parts and the repair that was done. So essentially what you're getting back is a brand new machine. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions about Cheyenne US Repair, you can email us at us.repair@CheyenneTattoo.com, and be sure to take a look at the other videos in this 8-part series, Cheyenne Service and Repair. Thanks a lot. See you next time.